We have a pivot right here and a support down here. So consolidating, I'd look at the longer time frame on PALT. And let's see, we have this hourly move up and a pullback and another breakout, but it didn't hold, and then it pulled back. Then another breakout, but it didn't hold there either. Couldn't close above. Whoops. Don't know what happened there. We couldn't close above 260. Both these candles tried, couldn't do it. So we have an hourly candle that's red with a long upper wick and pulling back down into this area right here. So you have a pivot there on the 15-minute on that line I just drew. So maybe we'll test that and make a move back up. This could be a 2-bar pullback on the hourly. Maybe. Not too fond of that. If I were to trade it, I think I would take a really quick trade on it. But honestly, I'm just like looking for something else. I'm not really too excited. EDU, it needs some volume. It doesn't have a lot happening right now. Let's see here. Where would I put a... Well, we do on the hourly here. What does the longer term look like? Well, I put in a nice move yesterday. I don't remember that. Or no, that was 2 days ago. I don't quite remember. But anyways, then it pulled back, and then it made this bounce attempt. So we have an hourly higher low trying to form here. We got to get up above 1667. But, you know, there's just a whole lot of resistance up here. So, I don't know. Look at the daily. Up around 1650. It's been moving up on the daily chart. 628. Had that resistance up there. Oh. I don't know why that keeps happening. Anyways, I'm not wanting to look at that one too much anyways, but there it goes, coming up and testing 1667. You know, there could be something on this stock. We'll see what kind of volume we get. I'm going to go ahead and let's get back to the smaller time frames, actually. That's a good idea. So, back testing 235, coming down further. There we go. Anyways, not too excited about that. So 18 to 31. So I'm going to come down here. I have 18 cents and 31 cents. Somewhere in between that is probably. I guess I am tired. I've really my brain's not functioning too well here. 18 and 30. I'll just say like 25 or whatever. I'm not mathing very well this morning. We all have our moments, right? And I guess the market's going to open in 30 seconds. 3 cents average on these candle ranges is 7 cents on the 5-minute up here. So I'll just say 5 cents. You can see my mouse doing stuff as I clicked on my code down here, and it's filling in my stop loss and my target parameters. 21 and 28. I'll just go ahead and put in 25. 25. Okay. Looking down there at the high of day momentum scanner. That's the long bar on the left side. And COGT, else the middle charts, nothing. I got nothing there. So here we go. Market's open. I do not have an idea as to where I want to get into any of these. I'm just going to kind of sit back and watch. Like I said, COGT, strongest stock that we have, but would like to see some consolidation on that 5-minute. Breaking out on the 5-minute right now. Maybe it'll make a move up to $7. Let me go ahead and we'll zoom in on this. Wow, that's a slow. Yeah, I don't know if everything's coming through right now. I look over and I see the video is frozen. Boy, heck of a morning I've got here going on. So, okay, we can still see the charts, so that's good. Well, bouncing off of here, 16 cents on that candle. I'm going to change my stop parameter in case I take a trade on this. It's an inside bar. I could take a starter there, look for a break above 680-ish. Maybe buy a pullback here if it gives it to me. Otherwise, taking some profit right there. So I'm up $46 on that one. I guess the only way I can switch to the bottom screen is by doing that. Definitely having some network issues. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to post this video, but I'm going to go ahead and keep trading here. And we'll see. My video is just completely frozen. I see the top of my head. Boy, that's a shiny looking head too, isn't it? Yeah, so now COGT looking like it might pull back here on the 5-minute finally. Seeing some red volume. So I had that one trade for $46. I bought it for the break over this high and I got the break. Okay. Just trying to... Oh! What am I seeing here? I'm in there on COGT. I'm going to look for more. There we go. We got her. So I made $106 there. Well, I was trying to start up the webcam. I thought I had it going. And it's not running, so we're just going to go without it. We've always gone without it anyways, so just going to not worry about it and just kind of focus on trading. I almost missed this trade here, messing around with the webcam, so I wanted you to see my cool Super Mario shirt that I bought. It's awesome. And the whole Mr. Predicto Crypto thing at the beginning of the video, you guys missed that. I'll have to show you next time. Getting a bounce here off of 235. Maybe that'll get going. Boy, I really like this one now. This is a momentum stock. These are the ones here that I got to work on. I always get nervous getting in when these stocks are doing this because I'm always like, wow, now it's overextended. It's probably going to pull back. And then they keep going, you know. Could buy a pullback to $7. I have money to lose now. EDU holding the VWAP. Kind of what I want to see here on COGT is a red candle and then a pullback to $7, a 2-bar pullback. But then you have to be careful because the price could drop all the way down to 680. So that just negated that 2-bar pullback to $7. Well, that's a low of whatever that was. So jumping in there. Taking a quick profit just because I'm thinking it might come down more. And if it doesn't, well, then it doesn't. Sorry, I'm trying not to be a goofball here, but I can't help it. Sometimes my goofballness comes out, especially when I'm tired. So I hope anybody watching this, I hope you enjoy trading as much as I do. I hope you enjoy learning about trading, because trading is really, it's all about learning patterns and probabilities. It's not about winning all the time. That's a pretty nice move. You see, what was the probability that this would pull back and make a move through the highs? Basically using $7 as a support. Because in the stock market, psychological, even numbers are psychological supports and resistance. Yeah, what are the probabilities that would have bounced from $7 back up through the highs? That's what trading is about. That's why you back test. You go back and you look, how many times did this happen, and how many times did it break up, and how many times did it fail? And you calculate your probabilities and say, hey, yeah, okay. You know, this is a successful, this would be a successful strategy. You know, how many times? 50%? 60? If you find a strategy where you can win 60% of the time, you found a great strategy. So, equilibrium here, tightening range. Actually, it's more of a megaphone look to it. Nah, it's not really that great of a megaphone. So popping up on the high day momentum scanner is DIDI. I'm not going to look at that one. Making another move here. I just jumped in there on EDU for that nice green candle moving up. I'm not expecting much on this one. There we go. And I just quick $20, you know. Little tiny win. Really need to adjust my stop parameters, so I'm going to do that. These average range of these three candles here is 14 cents, so I'll just do something like 10 cents. And I'm not interested in PALT. It is continuing its move down. It is coming down to a support, but I'm not too interested. Now maybe here's that 2-bar pullback. Well, we had a 2-bar pullback here. That was, remember, what I wanted. And got it. Boy, breaking out some more. This is a seriously strong stock, isn't it? See this increasing volume on the way up. What do we have for a daily? Wow, look at this candle. So we're coming up to $8. There's $9 up there. I'll just mark that green candle somewhere around there. But I'd say $8 is a good level to be watching. Not really interested in EDU with this wick right here, 642. Well, I guess that candle is only halfway through. Whoops. But hitting that resistance, that double top, that's 1667. Boy, look at this. Look at this. So there's that $8 level coming up to 8. That's the daily level we just marked out. Let's see if we top out there. Or do we blast right through it? Or is it $8? Is that the one we're going to stop at? Making it through 8. Putting on a show here, COGT. EDU making a breakthrough. Very nice. So for the moment, finding a top here. Would not be surprised to see it break through it, but definitely getting rejected on COGT off of that daily resistance. And EDU coming up to 17. We do have something here to be watching. Pretty extended on the 5-minute. So pulling back on COGT, I would expect to pull back here also. Attempting to try to get in right here. Consolidating right below that daily level. So that was a good level to mark out there on that daily. Remember this green candle? And if we get above 818, you've got room up to 9. What have we done in the past? Had some pretty big moves in the past. Look at this. 271 up to 14. So it has the potential. I don't really want to buy this 1-minute candle to make a new high. But holding $8 support, much like down here when we were holding $7, now holding 8. I draw a line at 8. Pretty much holding, more like 798. See, I'm buying that little pullback there. There we go. I just took a quick trade. I missed the move up, so just a quick trade to capture a little bit of profit. I was expecting one more little burst. I'm almost at the daily goal right now. I'm thinking about, after having such a rough morning trying to get all this stuff set up, pretty tired. Thinking about quitting. I'm not capitalizing on a lot of these moves here. Those days are coming. Up over 17. So we've got Sophie. Do I dare type it in? It's going to freeze the platform if I do. Yeah, froze it. I mean, technically, I haven't given back half my profit yet. I can still trade. But do I want to? I'm just going to back the time up a little bit here. Reset this platform. So I think being that next week is you have Labor Day on Monday. When did I trade? When did I do my live trading in the market? That was Wednesday morning. So I have to wait 5 days before I have 3-day trades again. So I won't be able to trade Wednesday because of the holiday. I'm going to have to wait an extra day. So I have to wait till Thursday. And that's when I'll be doing my trading in the market again. I don't want to call it live trading because it's not like I'm streaming, but it is with real money. So real money trading. This is simulator trading. So real money trading. What's the proper term for that? All right, push and play. Sophie. Nice pullback on Sophie to the EMA on the 15-minute, and this resistance right here. Support. My bad. Nice pullback here. COGT to $8. Breaking down more, breaking up. EDU. On the daily, coming up to a double top up here. EDU. Could take a bounce off of the VWAP. Big red candle on the 5-minute. 2 minutes till that closes. Got a big red looking candle here, so you can see that if that candle closes like that, that's a pretty good rejection off of that daily resistance. Breaking below the VWAP here now. That's a pretty big red candle. Nothing like stating the obvious, huh? I'm trying to start the webcam again here. Oh, look at there. It started. I just have to add it. Hey. Oh, there I am. Hi. Oh, let's see here. It's about to fall over. There we go, the most important part of the show. So, let's see here. Boy. Let's see. All right. Had to get that readjusted. So let me see on Sophie here. I've still got a set up margin. I'm not sure I'm going to trade Sophie, not gnarly looking hourly candle. But I'll go ahead and set the margin here anyway. So I've got this little pop up. I'm going to look up here at the chart. I'm going to say, okay, the high of the day is, $6.25. So I'm just going to round it up to $7. And that'll just assure that I don't buy more shares than I can afford. Let's see. Yeah, so this is Mr. Crypto Predicto right here. This is what I was trying to show you at the beginning of the video, but the battery is dying in it. My daughter got me this for my birthday some time ago.
Bitcoin Diamond.
Ooh, Bitcoin Diamond. So now you're supposed to go buy Bitcoin Diamond. This is back when I started. I was big into crypto. That's what got me into trading. My wife actually talked me into buying some Bitcoin back in 2017? I think that was the end of 2017, or was it 2018? I should remember this stuff. But yeah, anyways, and I made it was when Bitcoin was moving up really. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna jump in. It was when Bitcoin was moving up, and made a really big move, and I made like $7,000. And at that point I was kind of hooked. I was like, oh, I didn't know you can make that kind of money doing this. And then I proceeded to probably lose pretty much most of that. And yeah, so I just made some money on that little trade I just took right there. Got in for a quick bounce. So that puts me up at my daily goal of $203. I don't think I had any losses today. Yeah, so that got me started in trading because I knew nothing about stock market or cryptocurrency or candlestick charts. Back then I was looking at lines on the chart, just the lines, and I had no idea what I was doing. My wife's like, hey, you should take a look at candlesticks, because she had actually traded in the stock market years back, and so she had some experience with it. And I was like, man, I don't have any interest in that. And then the next thing you know, I started learning about them. And soon after, I decided to take a look at the stock market, and then I found some resources on YouTube. Some of my biggest influences were the chart guys and Ross Cameron, and my most favorite book was by Mark Douglas, called Trading in the Zone. That one changed my game completely. I read a lot of Linda Ratchke's stuff, and a whole lot of different resources that I learned and just kind of compiled. And I tried many different strategies, and ultimately the one I came back to was the one I started with, which is trading small cap stocks. Well, obviously, for obvious reasons, it's if you have a small account, small cap stocks are way more affordable, and they're what's the word I'm looking for? They're very attractive, because when you get a small cap stock that moves like these small cap stocks can move, as long as they have low floats and lots of volume, a lot of people attracted to them, you can make a lot of money. You can lose a lot of money. And I have lost quite a bit. I haven't always just traded in a simulator. The year of COVID, I traded all year with real money. And that was a losing year for me. I lost and lost and lost, and I lost some more. Took a quick little trade there. And I lost so badly that I decided I didn't want to lose any more of my hard-earned money, so I stopped trading, and I went back to work, and I started to redefine my strategy and redefine my trading, And I've been trading in this simulator ever since, just gradually getting better and better and better. And I told myself, I said, the next time I hit the stock market with a great big account, because I had 50,000 in the account at the time. I didn't lose 50,000, but that's how much I had in there. And I said, the next time I decide to throw big money into an account and start trading the stock market, I am damn well going to be ready, and I'm going to be positive that I have a winning strategy. So that's why I trade in the simulator like this, because it's a track record, right? Let me show you. Talking your ear off here. It's a pretty nice move there on COGT. Looks like there may be some nice trading here on COGT yet. Got to get over that daily resistance. We came back up there and tapped it. Now that last trade I took, just real quick, it was on a candle like this that broke down, but then came back up and broke the high of this candle. Those are pretty powerful moves a lot of times, so I jumped in it. But because I'm right there at the threshold of my daily goal, I didn't want to hold it for very long and then drop back down below my daily goal, because honestly, I'm ready to get out of here. It's 4:27 in the morning for me. It's about time for me to go to bed. Yeah, I have a weird nighttime schedule. So anyways, enough about me. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride, and I really hope you have a good rest of your day. And if you like this video, share it with friends and family, or people other people who might be interested, because it's all about sharing knowledge, and we can all help make each other better. So have a good rest of your day, and trade crypto. Don't trade crypto. Whatever. Get out of here.